Hi, it's Ramesha here. Welcome. I wanted to share with you a quick voice tip that might help you. I've been teaching voice lessons for many years, and one of the main issues that I run into with my students is um, when they sing and their voice is not full, meaning it's breathy. Instead of it's something like and there's a lot of air mixed with the sound. This is a very common thing, and it's usually one of the first things that you address when you take voice lessons. So I just want to give you a quick tip for what you can do to correct this. So for some reason, when this happens is because the muscles that work with the vocal cords are no longer able to make the vocal cords close tightly together and create a pure sound. And so we have to retrain them to do that. And one of the best ways to do this is by focusing on enunciating vowels very clearly. So what you can do is pick a vowel that you like, let's say maybe and any note, and you can just focus on enunciating and holding that vowel for a certain amount of time, like this. And focus on really and not just but pronounce it very, very clearly, because pronunciation is what really helps to create that tight closure of the vocal cords that allows you to have a pure sound. So you can go through all the sounds, all the vowels that you want, but just pronounce the vowel clearly and then hold it for a few seconds. And try to really and not so you have to have a certain amount of energy that you put out in your throat to do that. In the beginning, you might get a little tired, so don't overdo it. But that's also normal, because if you have this issue, probably your muscles haven't been working properly for a long time. So doing this exercise will actually help to retrain the muscles in a way that they will allow you to do this properly and sing with a fuller sound. So I hope this was helpful. You can pick vowels, e, you can do that. In fact, I think it would be a good idea for you to do it with several vowels, not just one, and just enunciate and hold so that the muscles get used to this position and this and to doing this kind of work. All right, I hope this was helpful, and just come over back, listen, and rewatch this video as many times as you need to. And so nice to see you all, nice to connect with you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.